Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome to the Link English. Link that you can elaborate and explore about English. Today, our topic is phone call handling. Then, have a nice watching our program.
Good morning, Sumber Alam Corporation. Rini Johnson speaking. How may I help you?
Good morning. I'd like to speak to Ms. Smith, please. I'm Kim Smith from Sinarjaya Corporation.
May I know who am I speaking to? Could you please repeat your name for me?
It's Kim Smith, Sierra, Mike, India, Tango Hotel.
Alright, ma'am, just a moment, please. Oh, I'm sorry, ma'am. She's away from her desk now.
All right. May I know when will she be available?
Unfortunately, I don't have that information here right now. Would you like to pass on a message?
Yes. Could you ask her to send the invoice of the glass and wood design of that lab project to Mrs. Fransby's email at your soonest possible convenience? It is needed to be well checked before the meeting.
Alright, could you please spell the name for me once again?
Of course. Foxtrot, Echo, Romeo, November, Sierra, Bravo, Yankee.
May I know your office telephone number?
It's 021 4207568.
Alright, ma'am, let me ensure you have it correctly. It's Kim Smith, Sierra Mike India Tango Hotel from Sinarjaya Corporation, and you would like to inquire the invoice of the glass and wood design of Delta project immediately to be sent to Mrs. Fransby's email, Foxtrot Echo Romeo November Sierra Bravo Yankee, and your telephone number is 021 420 7568.
Yes.
Is there anything else I could help you with?
No, thank you.
Alright, I'll make sure Miss Smith got the message. Thank you for calling too, ma'am. Have a good day.
Phone call message. Can I take message? Ungkapan ini, materi ini berguna ketika kalian nanti lulus dari sekolah dan bekerja sebagai seorang sekretaris atau karyawan di kantor. Ketika when the telephone is ringing and then you receive the telephone, what will you do then? Dalam slide kelima, digambarkan dan dijelaskan tentang kompetensi dasar. Kompetensi dasar merupakan turunan dari kompetensi inti 3 dan 4. Kompetensi dasar untuk bahasan phone handling, yang pertama, aspek pengetahuannya, menerapkan fungsi sosial, struktur teks, dan unsur kebahasaan, teks, interaksi transaksional yang melibatkan tindakan memberi dan meminta informasi terkait pesan sederhana lewat telepon atau taking simple phone message sesuai dengan konteks penggunaannya di dunia kerja. Yang kedua, aspek keterampilannya menuliskan kembali teks pesan sederhana lewat telepon terkait tempat kerja dengan memperhatikan fungsi sosial, struktur teks, dan unsur kebahasaan secara benar dan sesuai konteks dunia kerja. Slide ke-7, kita masuk pokok bahasan pertama, yaitu tentang social function atau fungsi sosial. Ketika Anda belajar materi kurikulum 2013, hal pertama kalian harus perhatikan adalah fungsi sosialnya. What is the social function of phone handling? Phone handling is an activity allowing you to answer, routing, and communicating incoming call. It is done by secretary or employee in office or company. Phone handling is done between a speaker and receiver on the telephone. In practicing, there are some steps to handle the incoming calls. Before I close about social function phone call handling, I try remind all of you, you don't have to say hello or hi in communicating by telephone, especially for office, school, or formal condition. Pada slide ini akan coba diberikan contoh bagaimana cara menerima sebuah telepon. Yang pertama, greet the caller. Sapa penelponnya. Dalam artian, kalian harus memberi salam. Like, good morning, good afternoon. The second, state your company's name. Like Tokopedia online shop, Gramedia bookstore. And the third, mention your name. I mean, kalian harus mengatakan nama lengkap kalian. For example, Agung Kusrendra speaking. Andre Wijaya is speaking. And the last, you have to offer an assistant. Tawarkan bantuannya. Seperti apa ungkapannya? What can I do for you? How can I help you? Examples. Good morning, Glow Storage Corporation. This is Susan Young. May I help you? The second. Good afternoon, GBO Construction. My name is Zach Cullen. What can I do for you? After I have explained all of you about how to receive a phone call and how to make a phone call, and then if you receive the telephone, don't forget to ask the second the caller's name. How or we call this requesting identity. The first, who is calling please? The second, may I ask who is calling? The third, who is speaking, please? The fourth or the last, can I have your name, please? Asking the caller to hold. The first, hold the line, please. I'll see if he is in. The second, hold on, please. He is coming now. The third, just moment, please. She'll be with you right away. The fourth, one moment please. I'll see if he is free. The last, He is speaking on the other line. Will you hold? Seringkali ketika kita menerima telepon dan orang yang dituju itu tidak ada di tempat atau tidak bisa bicara pada saat itu juga. Lalu apa yang harus kita katakan ketika kita menerima telepon? Atau kita sebut juga, the person being called is not in. The first, I'm sorry, the manager is out at the moment. The second, I'm terribly sorry, Mr. Hotman is away on business right now. The third, he is not in the office now, but he'll be back at 4 o'clock. The last, we would like to discuss how to ask the caller's message. The first, can I take a message? The second, can I give him a message? The third, can I have you like to leave message? The last, would you like to leave the message?
Thank you for your attention. Have a nice study. See you on the next lesson program. SMK Bisa Hebat.